Welcome, or as we say in Morocco, Salam Alaikum, to TUI SUNEO Kenzi Europa, the first TUI SUNEO resort in Morocco. Hi, I'm Rashid. I'm Moroccan born. I'm living in the beautiful Agadir, and I'm your TUI SUNEO representative. Set in the heart of leafy Agadir, close to our private beach area, our family-friendly resort offers something for everyone. With a heated outdoor pool, a kids' splash pool, and thrilling water slides, it's the perfect destination for a fun and relaxing getaway. From the moment you arrive, our friendly team is here to ensure a seamless stay. Whether it's assistance with your plans, local recommendations, or friendly face, we're available 24/7 to help you make the most of your holiday. Our bright and spacious, recently renovated rooms are designed with your comfort in mind, featuring modern amenities and always private balconies. Whether it's a double or twin, you will enjoy serene garden views or look out toward the sea for a breathtaking sunset. Whatever the view, our rooms provide the perfect retreat to unwind after a day full of fun and adventure. Come and see the pool, the central feature of our resort. Take a dip in our heated outdoor pool or watch the kids have a blast in the splash pool and on the water slides. Our pool area is ideal for relaxation and family fun, with plenty of sun lounges around the poolside and shaded spots in our beautiful gardens. Dive into fun with aqua gym in the pool or challenge yourself with a game of tennis, football, basketball, or pétanque. At TUI SUNEO, there is always something exciting to keep our guests of all ages entertained all day. Don't worry, we didn't forget about your little ones. You can keep them entertained in our vibrant play area, or come and have a look inside. It's filled with activities and games designed to spark their imaginations and create lasting holiday memories. If you're feeling hungry, head out to our poolside bar. The refreshing drinks and tasty snacks are available all day long. Don't miss the delicious fresh pizzas, expertly crafted by our on-site pizza chefs. It's the perfect spot where you can have a cold drink and a quick snack between meals. Oh, my drink is ready. Thank you, Aziz. For fitness enthusiasts, our well-equipped gym lets you stay active, even on holiday. For an added cost, indulge in a rejuvenating experience at our spa, offering relaxing massages, traditional Moroccan hammam, and of course, a wellness treatment, spa. Our private beach is just a short walk from the hotel, complete with reserved sun lounges exclusively for our guests. Whether you're sinking your toes into the soft sands, taking a refreshing dip in the ocean, or enjoying a leisurely stroll along the beachfront, it's the perfect spot to enjoy the charm of Agadir's coast. Enjoy international dishes or authentic Moroccan flavors in our buffet restaurants. Whether it's a hearty breakfast, a light lunch, or a special evening meal, there's something to delight every palate. Make sure you try our specialty Moroccan tea, the perfect pick-me-up to kickstart your day. After the sunset, the main bar is the best spot to grab a cocktail. Here you can kick off an exciting evening, or just unwind with after-dinner drinks as you soak up the evening atmosphere. Evenings come alive with our dynamic entertainment program, from live performances to interactive shows. If you want to experience Agadir beyond the hotel, this city is full of sights and sound waiting to be explored. Wander through the vibrant Souk El Had, a bustling market filled with local crafts, spices, and textiles. Go for a stroll at the stylish Agadir Marina, where cafes, shops, and yachts create a lively waterfront vibe. Step back in time at the reconstructed Agadir Marina, a charming space showcasing traditional Moroccan architecture and artisan shops. For panoramic views, visit the historic Kasbah of Agadir, perched high above the city with breathtaking vistas of the bay. If you want to get off the beaten track, come and experience the tranquility of El Had Garden, a serene spot with lush greenery and peaceful parks, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploration. We're here to give you advice on what to do as well as help you enjoy your stay. So ask us for help at any time. We can't wait to welcome you to TUI SUNEO Kenzi Europa for a memorable stay filled with fun, relaxation, and warm Moroccan hospitality. Shukran.